In this video we will see how to create Azure Blob. To create Blob we need to search storage account. If you want you can go through here itself, storage account, else you can click it here on the plus icon. You can search here storage account and you can click on this option. This will ask to create. Click on the create button. Again my subscription is a free trial, so free trial is fine. I will select my resources which I had created earlier. If you want to create, you can go and create a new and you can put it here and click on the OK. This will create a new resource group, but we have already created, so we are not going to create a new one. This storage account name is the actual blob name, so I'm going to keep it like SKP underscore B. So this is telling that underscore don't allow. So let's see, hyphen is also not allowed. So SKP blob storage. So this is my blob storage name. This is already taken, so let's storage account. So this is available. Region I am selecting East US. You can select any region in the given list. Performance wise I am going to create for demo purpose, so I will not select the premium one. I will select only a standard one. Redundancy, this is for the geo redundant across the country, and this will keep the redundant data, so I don't want it geo redundant. I want as a local redundant. This will less costly, and then I need to go to the advanced one. This all option I will keep as it is. So one thing I would like to mention here, if you are going to create your blob, or sometime you must have heard about creating data lake storage chain 2 in Azure. So if you will select this box, this blob will convert into Azure data lake chain 2. But as of now, I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we are going to create blob account, so I'm not going to select it. But if you want to create your data lake storage chain 2, then just only need to select this checkbox and it will create as a data lake chain 2 instead of blob storage. So I'm not selecting because I'm going to create a blob storage. If I want to create data lake chain 2, I will select it. I will keep all the options at default. Access tier, when you are going to use frequently, then you can select as a hot. If you are not going to use frequently, then you can select as a cool. So I will keep as it is. Networking I will keep as it is and no changes. Default setting I will keep it as a default. All things. Encryption I will keep as a default. Tags I will keep as a default. Review, once I will click on the review, it will validate all the settings which we have already entered earlier. Once it is validated, it will allow us to create. Click on the create button. So still it is creating. Now it is created, and let's go to our blob. Click on go to resource. So this is our blob home page and this is the main screen, and this is the overview. You can see this is the resource group which we have selected. We had selected here location is US free trial, this all. Performance we had selected as a standard, and locally redundant we had selected instead of geo1. So this is one. Account kind is like storage v2, and the main thing is like blob storage we had created. So if you recall, earlier I had mentioned that if you will check data lake storage gen 2, if you will check that checkbox, this will come like data lake storage gen 2 instead of blob services. So in this video we are going to see how to create blob. So this blob has been created. In this blob we can see there are 4 type of data storage is there: container, file share, queue and table. So we are going to see how to use container, how to create a container, and how to upload the file from our local system. So I will click on the container here. So you can see here container plus icon is coming, so it is allowing us to create a new container. So once I will click here, so I'm going to create like source source container here. So container is nothing like a folder. So now this container is created. Now I can't create any other container within this container, so currently I'm under the source container. You can see here name. Okay, so how I can upload any file from our local system? So only need to click on the upload icon here, and this will either you can drag and drop your file from your local system, or you can directly go and search from your this one. So I just select this all file from my one of the folder local machine and click OK. So and once this all will be uploaded, this upload button will be enabled. Click on upload. It is getting failed due to some reason. I will retry to upload because last time it got failed for all. Reason is still not sure what was the reason. I just retry to copy one more time. So now click on upload. Okay, all got uploaded finally. So this is the way you can see all your file is being uploaded. You can cross here to close this window, and now you can see all your file is being uploaded. You can go back to your home, and if you want to see your blob storage, like you can either you can go to the all the sources, or you can directly find it from the recent tab. Click here, click on the container, and you had created source. So source container is there, and within the source we have uploaded this all files. So to upload the files, click on here, and either drag and drop here, either browse from your local system and just upload it. If you want to delete any file, just click here and click on the delete, or if you want to delete all, select all, this all, and click on the delete. So this is the way you can create your containers, multiple containers within a blob. And this is the source container here. So in next video we'll see how to utilize this file in our